So here's how to fix the First Descendant DirectX 12 not supported on your system error. So first what you want to do is open the device manager by right-clicking Windows logo, go to device manager, and in this window we want to expand the display adapters and then right-click on the GPU or your main GPU, click update drivers, and then search automatically for drivers. Now it will download and install any available drivers if you don't have them already. Otherwise, you can search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And in this window, you want to make sure you have or you download and install any pending updates in here. And you can also go to the advanced options and then optional updates. And in this window, you want to check any updates related to your GPU or related to GPU by checking the box here and then click on download and install. Now it will prompt you to reboot your PC after installing those updates. Now once you reboot your PC, make sure to install your GPU application. So for example, for NVIDIA GPUs, you will usually need to install NVIDIA app. And in here you want to go to the drivers section. And then for the game ready driver, you want to click the check for updates button next to it, and then download and install the latest available updates for the GeForce Game Ready driver. Then you can close this window, and now we want to go to the settings, and in here we want to go to system, display, and then advanced or graphics, the graphics section. And in here you want to make sure the game is in this list. Now if it's not already in this list, what you can do is click on add desktop app, and then select or navigate to the game installation path, and then select the game exe file, then click on add, and it should be added to this list. Now you can simply click on the drop box here, and for the GPU preference you want to set it to high performance GPU or your GPU, for example NVIDIA in here. You want to set it to this one and then disable the optimizations for windowed games. And also you want to expand this advanced graphics settings. Click on the drop down and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on by default. Now you can simply close this, and then you can simply launch Steam and try to run the game again. Now if you still have this error, it could potentially mean that your system does not support DirectX 11. Maybe you have an old computer or something. So what you can do to solve this issue is right click on the game on your Steam library, go to properties, and in here you want to, for the general settings, click on the general tab. In here you want to use -DX11, and then you can simply close this and try to launch the game again, and that should run the game with DirectX 11, and that should generally solve the problem. You can also try to run Steam as administrator if you're still having issues. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.